During my visit to Xizang, I experienced the rail line firsthand during a 2,000-kilometer, 22-hour overnight train trip on the roof of the world. This railway system connects the capital of the neighboring heavily Tibetan-populated province of Qinghai, that is Xining, and Lhasa, the capital of the Xizang Autonomous Region. This railroad stands as an engineering marvel, even to many Western experts, as a true engineering miracle. Before the 1950s, the journey to Xizang meant hauling loads of goods across icy lakes. However, now, the railway, along with 124,900 kilometers of roads and 183 domestic and international flights, has redefined accessibility for this region. It serves as both a practical lifeline and a symbol of national unity, fostering economic development, tourism, and cultural exchanges. In addition to the railroad, I was also impressed with another example of infrastructure in Xizang. I discovered this during a visit to a new town outside of Lhasa, the high-tech Zone Innovation and Entrepreneurship Service Platform. To attend, all the applicants need to do, bring your own computer, and it is flourishing. How do they apply? Everything is online. Here, individual initiative is promoted. For example, the use of a specialized drone as modern infrastructure to assist mountainous agricultural areas is one of the inventions of these small startup companies. This balance between collective purpose and individual creativity reflects a feature of socialism with Chinese characteristics. From a past of poverty and isolation to today's use of railways and drones, Xizang exemplifies how infrastructure continues to serve as the bridge between tradition and modernity, local needs and national goals. It is not merely about roads and railways, but about building unity, opportunity, and a shared future.